Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you how to add date and time picker field in your contact form by WPForms. So here you can see this is simple contact form. Now let me go in website dashboard, and after that go here in WPForms, then click here all forms, and now here you can see there is one form that is published. Now click here, and now you can easily edit form fields. So now if you want to delete any field, then you can go here and click on delete button. To add fields, just you can use drag and drop method. So for example, let me drag here date and time field. So here you can see date and time field is added in the form. Then click on save button, and after that reload the page. So now you can select the date whatever you want. After that select the time, then you can fill out the form, and after that click on submit button.